Hi everyone, I'm going to show you some of my new little, I guess, home decors that I got out of Goodwill. So stay with me and you're going to see some really cute things. Okay, number one, I don't know if you can see this, but this, look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? It's tall, it's thin. It's got a little bit of like a, I would say, Japanese type paint to it. I did leave the tag on it for you. You can see I got it at Goodwill and it was $9.99. I did get it for $5, but I thought, how cool is this? It really is a really neat looking vase. So again, it's got this pretty turquoise. It's got some really cool design. Okay, my next piece that I got, which is really, really cool. It's like a little, okay, this was $3.99, or actually I probably got it for half price, so it was $2. It's like a little sheep, and it's made out of wood, I believe, or sort of, no, maybe a ceramic, but I thought he was cute just to add to any of my home decor. Isn't he cute? Next was this beautiful vase, and it's very heavy. It was $3.99. I think I paid full price for this one because I really, really liked it. So as you can see, but look at the colors in it. It's got the browns, the blues, it's got some light color brown, but it's also got a texture to it. And I just like the design. It goes all the way through. But how pretty is this one? Isn't this one pretty? Okay, my next one is, this one's pretty heavy. I don't know if I can, let me see. This one was $4.99. And I could have got it for half price, but I think, no, it's $9.99. So it was orange, so I got it for $5 that day. But look how cool this is. I'm going to try to pull the tag off and try to read you what it says, if I can see it. So it says, this piece of, I guess it's called Kissley stone carvings. It's like a carving. It's so cool though. Let me get the stickers off my fingers. Okay, it says, this piece of Kissley stone is hand carved by the tribesmen of Kenya. The stone is initially shaped with a panga, then knives and bladed tools are used to define the shape of the piece. Sandpaper is used to achieve the smooth finish. Colored dyes are then applied to create these unique colors and designs. The craftsman uses a knife to engrave and further accent the art. So it was for decorative use only. It was hand carved in Kenya. And it's pretty heavy, but look how cool. I don't know if you can see it against the, look how cool this piece of artwork is. It's got a really unique design. And again, I got this at Goodwill, so I thought, well, what a great buy this was. How cool is that? And like I said, I probably paid maybe, what did I say, $5 maybe for it. It was $5.99. Okay, I also got this cute little vase. It was $2. I got it for half price. It was $3.99. And I'm sure it had a top maybe to it at one time, but it is just got some really good, it's Adams. It was made in England, in Lancaster, England, so it is very pretty. Love the design on it. So I think it was $2 because I think they didn't really think about how gorgeous it was, because it is. It's really got a nice design. I'll put up my little sheep again so you can see it. Look how cute my sheep is. Isn't that cute? He is cute. Okay, my next piece, I love this one. This one is such a cool piece. And I think it was made out of clay. I paid $5 for it. It was just such a cool piece. It's a lady, as you can see. She has no face. And I guess somebody could have painted her. There's an RD on here. And it was $4.99. But look how cool she is. It's got, like, you can tell it's been worn, which is good because it gives it that vintage look. Not sure where she came from, but isn't she very elegant looking? She's got her hat on, her dress. Looks like she's got a fan right there. But she is so cool. And then my last piece is just a piece that I picked up at Hobby Lobby that I'm going to add to my little staging for my home decor because I thought it added some green. It's got the blue in it. So let me stage this for you so you can see how I put it in my house. So first of all, I'm going to put this vase right here. I'm going to put it so you don't see the price tag. Now I did get some really cool greenery. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to put it inside this vase. And I don't know if you can see it. Let me show it to you, because we'll have to pull back on it. But look how pretty that's going to be. All right. Probably need to. Okay, also I have this little riser that I got at Ross for $9.99. I'm going to use that for my little sheep. I will put the little sheep on top of the riser. I'm going to pull the sticker off since you have seen what I paid for her right now. So she's going right there. Next I have this little mirror that I got at Dollar Tree just to add a little bit of sparkle. As you can see, it's a Dollar Tree mirror. I usually use them just to accent pieces. And I'm going to accent this one. Like I said, that was $3.99, which was such a good buy. I'm like, how cool is this? And I'm going to end up putting some flowers in it. Let's see. I got these flowers right here at Walmart. So I thought these were pretty cool. I don't remember what I paid for them, but probably $1 or $2. But yeah, these are from Walmart. So I'm going to add them to this really beautiful blue vase. Look how pretty this turned out. And that looks really elegant. Okay, next I'm going to do the piece of artwork, which I think is so cool. It's very, very dramatic. I love the black. It looks really good right there. I'm going to also add another riser, which I got, let's see. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it was reduced for $4.99. It was $16.99. And I saw it in the back in the clearance, and I thought, I'll pick that up, $5. There's nothing wrong with it, but how cool is that? And I'm going to place my beautiful lady, who's very elegant. I'll place her right here. Then I will place this really cool, I guess, British vase from Lancaster, England. That's going to go right there. If you can see, we're using the blues in there and the blues here. And again, the blues, this came from Hobby Lobby, was regular $20. I got it for $5. So there it is. How pretty is that? I think it turned out really pretty. I love the way it was staged. It's got beautiful colors in it. It's got beautiful flowers. I'm going to try to, let's see. So as you can see how pretty this is, I love the little sheep, the lady. Everything looks so beautiful. It's actually on my fireplace in my kitchen, because this is a fireplace that keeps our kitchen warm. And look how gorgeous that is. Love the way this turned out. Beautiful pieces, all from Goodwill, except for, you know, the risers and the one little plant. So here is the little Japanese vase, which I think is so cool. Again, the greenery came from Hobby Lobby. And here's my little sheep. He was $2. He sort of looks vintage, doesn't he? Okay, and this blue, gorgeous vase that has texture. It's got, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a texture to it. It's got gorgeous colors. And here's the little flowers from Walmart. And of course, this really unique art piece, which I think you guys want to tell me what you think about all these. I would love to hear from you. And of course, here is this really cool lady. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, would you please hit the subscribe button, the like button, the notification bell so that you'll see my next video. And please comment and let us know what you think. You have a great day and just take care of yourself and each other. Bye.